I made a new flavor ng sourdough. This is spicy seaweeds and cheese. So try natin. Kakabake lang niya, medyo mainit pa. Crunch test muna. Here's the crumb. Oh, musok pa. Sarap. Guys, yung sourdough class na sinunod ko the other day, yung first day, nasa mga more than 2 hours long. Nakaka 6 minutes pa lang ako na ini-edit. So may 2 hours pa. And then yung second day, nasa 45 minutes. So antayin nyo lang, basta pag na-edit ko na, mag-release ako ng final teaser and announcement para sa details ng pag-enroll nyo sa online sourdough class. So yun lang, basta within this day, within the week, ma-upload na natin. Alright, thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.